Good morning, students. Today we are going to do classwork, History Chapter 2, and we have already finished MCQ, very short answer type question, and 3 short answer type questions we have already finished. So today we are going to complete short answer type question number 4, 5, and we will also do long answer type question. There are 2 long answer type question. We will do it one only today. So all of you take out your notebooks, and I hope you have already finished you have already finished your previous work. So let's start your classwork of today. Today's classwork, short answer type question. How did the doctrine of lapse help the British in the annexation of Indian states? The answer is, the Governor General Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse as a means to extend the British Empire. In this system, all the states whose ruler died without a natural heir to the throne were annexed by the British. They have to take permission from the British to adopt a heir. The British had the right to sanction or refuse such an adoption. Hence, the doctrine of lapse was helped in the expansion of the British Empire, and the state was easily annexed due to it. In this way, Jhansi, Nagpur, Satara, Udaipur, Jaipur and Sambalpur were annexed under British policy. So the next question is, what are the main features of the Regulating Act of 1773? In order to have a better administration, the British had a Regulating Act of 1773, and the main features of the Regulating Act was the Governor of Bengal became the Governor General of India. A council of 4 members was constituted to assist the Governor General. All decisions were to be taken on the basis of majority of votes. Supreme Court was established at Calcutta. It comprised of a Chief Justice and 3 other judges. It was strictly laid down that no officer of the company would accept any form of bribe, gifts, directly or indirectly. So these are the 2 short questions. Now we will move to the long answer type question. The first question is, give a brief account of the Carnatic Wars. Carnatic Wars were the war which was fought between the British and the French in order to have control over Indian subcontinent. So England and France were traditional rivals in most of the European wars of the 18th century. The conflicts of trade interest between them finally ended with the 3 Anglo-French wars of the Carnatic region. They are called the Carnatic Wars as most of them were fought in the Carnatic region and other parts of Tamil Nadu. The 3 Carnatic Wars were fought between 1746 to 1763. These wars completely wiped out French influence in India and resulted in the establishment of British power in India. So you all know that different people come to India for trading, among them Portuguese, French, Dutch and English were there. So England and France came into always have a traditional rivals because they both wanted to have economically stronger in India. So in this context they have a war, and these wars were basically in the Carnatic region or some parts of Tamil Nadu. So by these wars, the 3 wars, the English people or the British have completely established themselves as the sole power, and the French were influence was almost finished in India. So that's it in today's classwork. Complete your classwork, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, see you in the next.